I'm sorry, but I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that.
Let me tell you, this is my one of my first motor vlogs. So I've been going on trips for a definitely a long time, but this is one of my first official motor vlogs. To be honest, I've been posting pictures till now, but now I just planned on doing a motor vlog and share the beautiful sceneries, the experiences, the food, the culture, whatever I can capture with you. So yes, today like I have planned to like start for Ooty. This was quite a sudden plan, not sudden to be exact. I've been planning for a biking trip since quite a long time now. And the thing is that the sudden in the sense that I was planning to go to Ooty with my friends क्योंकि उसका मज़ा ही अलग होता है. But they're not available, and when they're available, I'm not available, as it happens with all the plans with friends. Yeah, so anyways, तो अभी टाइम हो रहा है 5:30 in the morning. I've been up since 4:30, so I had to wake up quite early because I have around more than 300 kilometers to cover till Ooty, and I hope to reach by the afternoon around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock because I'm not a very fast rider. I ride very relaxed. I stop at many places. I enjoy my food. I take time to enjoy the beauty of the road, and that's all, guys. So शुरू करते हैं. ये रही मेरी ब्लैक ब्यूटी, माय ट्रस्टेड एवेंजर. एंड अभी जो सबसे बोरिंग काम होती है कोई भी जर्नी का, वो है ये बैग लोड करना, पैक करना. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट नाउ. मैंने कोई सैडल बैग एंड ऑल में इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया अभी तक, सो फ़िलहाल कोई पिलियन नहीं है, तो दैट इज़ नॉट अ great pressing need. So this is a quite a nice bungee cord. So I'm going to tie this. And there's one more thing: whenever you ride, like, be very sure of your safety. Wear proper safety gear. I know this riding gears are a bit expensive for you, but हेल्थ से पहले, सेफ्टी से पहले कुछ भी नहीं. The route from Bangalore to Ooty goes to Mysore and Bandipur. So till Mysore there is only highway and nothing much to be shown actually. It's a normal national highway, and it's time for a petrol fill. पावर है ना, आप 1000 का दे दीजिए. अच्छा, ना तो गाइस, ये बैंगलोर का एक फेमस लैंडमार्क है which we are going to approach just now. It's called as Vidhana Saudha. I hope you are able to see it. This is the heart of Karnataka's government, and what a beautiful structure. Beautifully made. It's grand. traffic, man. This is what I was fearing. This is highway in GG. This is highway. It's so jam packed, and it's seriously let down. पता नहीं कब तक चलेगा, कितना दूर तक चलेगा. I have to go 140 kilometers, and if it goes on like this, it's a pain in the ass, man. तो मैंने अभी तक रुका नहीं है कोई ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ stopping at Shivali. Shivali is around 70 kilometers from Bangalore, and the food is quite good there. So next stop, वहाँ पे ही करते हैं for breakfast. So guys, this traffic situation continues even after 20 to 30 kilometers outside of city limits, and this is like terrible. और साथ में एक इंसिडेंट भी हुआ है अभी. तो ट्रैफिक काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी. अभी तो थोड़ा निकला हूँ ट्रैफिक से, इसलिए मैं बात कर पा रहा हूँ. सो जस्ट 15 मिनट्स बैक इट वाज हॉरिबल ट्रैफिक, एंड लाइक एक इनोवा कार ने तो मेरे पैर पर ही गाड़ी चढ़ा दिए थे, एंड इट वाज क्वाइट पेनफुल, एंड दैट गाय इज जस्ट आर्ग्यूइंग विथ मी. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई गाड़ी पीछे करो, एंड दिस गाय इज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड फॉर अ गुड 10 to 15 seconds, trust me, that huge car's tires were on my feet, and it was paining like hell. So for a few minutes I felt I won't be able to continue the trip. I thought of going back even, but then I thought let's push on for some time and let's see. Luckily कुछ major हुआ नहीं है, and I don't know how. It's quite a huge car. It's a 2-ton car, 2000 kgs on my feet. And अभी thankfully सब कुछ सही है. There is no pain. The pain is also gone. Here I have reached Ramnagar, and if you can see those small blocks over there, that is the exact place which is very famous for the movie Sholay. Here is where the famous Gabbar scene was shot. तब कितने आदमी थे? I don't know if it's coming on camera or not. So yeah, so we are still around 80 kilometers from Mysore, and due to traffic I am already a bit late. So I won't stop anywhere much except for breakfast. This diversions, man. This entire road is full of these diversions. Like I've already crossed 500 of them, and that seriously impedes the pace of travel. Once you're on a straight road, you can just push the throttle, and really you can reach fast. One more diversion. This is the problem with this Mysore road actually. They have made lots of diversions because actually construction work is going on. Here it is, Shivali. It's quite a popular spot for people who are traveling. The food is good and it's quite recommended. So I've reached this restaurant. It's breakfast time. So I'll just see what is available there. This is quite crowded. It's quite a popular breakfast destination. Lots of people who are on the road or they travel, they stop by here for their breakfast. And here is my pongal. It's a kind of South Indian khichdi. It comes with raita. So guys, I had a hearty breakfast, and the place where I've stopped is near Channapatna. And Channapatna, if you might know, it is one of the centers of like wooden handicrafts, and they make really good toys and other wooden handicrafts, which is famous all over the world and in India as well. And the thing is that in India we don't value them too much, they value the art too much. But it's sad to see like it's such beautiful pieces of work and we don't value it. It's a beautiful handicrafts of all kinds and utility. I had my breakfast and had a break for 15 minutes. Now it's time to start again. So from here Mysore is around 70 kilometers and it should take around 1.5 hours if there is not much traffic. So let's go. I have entered the Mysore city limits and I'll stop here for a quick lunch at my favorite place and then I'll move on to Ooty. So Mysore kind of is the halfway point for Ooty. The Ooty road was that side, but yeah, I had to stop to this place as that is my favorite food. So let's go, we'll have a lunch and then we'll move forward. Mysore, as you already know, is one of the cleanest cities in all over India. Not only in India, in Asia. It's very clean, the roads are wide and you won't find even a speck of garbage anywhere. I can guarantee you that. It's very clean and many cities from India should learn from Mysore. I've reached. So here's my steaming hot mutton pulao. And this is the mutton serva, the mutton stock. The specialty of this restaurant is that it's around 100 years old and it's following the same recipe for the last 100 years without change. And even this mutton is like sourced by their own. Everything is fresh, homemade, and very delicious. So here I am back on the road after a very hearty lunch.